Mabuhay! Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where my aim is to bring the taste of the Philippines to your home. Today's recipe is Lamb Caldereta, a Filipino lamb curry. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook the best caldereta you ever tasted. Here are the ingredients of today's gorgeous dish. Lamb, cooking oil, onion, pineapple, hot chili sauce, garlic, carrot, potato, water, coconut milk, and chopped tomatoes. Now the oil is hot, saute the garlic. Stirring continuously until it turns brown. Add the onion, stirring continuously until it turns soft. Now the onion is soft, add the potato and carrot. Stirring continuously for a minute. Add the tomato and add the coconut milk. Mix it well. Bring to boil and cover. Now it's boiling. Lower the heat, cover again, and simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add the lamb. Give it a good stir. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the pineapple, hot chili sauce, give it a stir, and pinch of salt. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. After 35 minutes of total cooking time, my lamb caldereta is now ready to serve and enjoy. It smells lovely. It's gonna taste awesome. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. See you soon!